Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is more like a casual, productive, unproductive vlog because it has a bit of everything in it. It has me studying, how I spend a day in my life, me meeting my friends and everything. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys do, let me know in the comment section below. And next video, for next Saturday's video, I am planning on actually putting out a week in my life, and it'll be like completely studies and a little bit of extra stuff as well, because in this video I'm explaining something known as the review test concept that our school has started. So it's a weekly cycle, so I have that for like 6 weeks, so keep watching to find out what this is about. And I'm planning on vlogging the entire week regarding that, so let me know in the comment section if you guys would like that for like board preparation. And yeah, with all that being said, let's just get right on. But before we do, please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon after you're done subscribing, so that you guys can be the first ones to watch my videos. And also give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below more video suggestions, and with all that being said, let's just get right on. So let me explain to you what I'm actually doing in this clip. So before that, you guys need a little bit of a context. My school started a 6-week review program for revision purposes, in which a little bit of the portion is covered on a weekly basis. So every week we cover a little bit of a portion and then write a review test or a revision test for the same. It's a 20-mark revision test that we have to write within an hour. So basically, we have a little bit of a portion, as I said, and each day of the week is designated to a particular subject. On Monday, we have English, which is what I'm writing on the screen right now. Tuesday, we have Hindi, Wednesday, Maths, Thursday, Science, and Friday, Social. So, and finally on Saturday, we have to submit all the hard copies of all the answer scripts at our school, along with the soft copy, which is submitted on the day the exam is written. So I am basically writing the English one here, as I told you guys already, and I did write the other subjects as well, but of course I was just too lazy to record, so I don't have the video clip of that available. But next time or next video onwards, I will have that ready. So yeah. Hey guys, what is up? So like right now I just took a bath and changed into this Avengers hoodie. So like in case you guys haven't seen my New Year celebration vlog, which I will link up here, make sure which I'll link up over here, make sure you guys check it out. Basically in that vlog I attended this very cute bonfire that my neighbors had put up. So today we have that bonfire yet again, and but today it's like a zyada bigger occasion because we are gonna have dinner and everything. So I decided I would get you guys along. So let's go. So that would be the end of this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And again, just reminding you, the review test, a week in my life. Let me know what you think about the idea in the comment section below. Comment any other video suggestions that you might like. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in my next. Make sure you guys subscribe. With all that being said, bye guys.